さんこんにちは。暑い夏がやってきました。セミの声も聞こえてきます。ミーンミーン言ってます。とっても暑いのでアイスクリームを食べたいのですが、いつも食べるアイスクリームはこのボールの部分が食べることができなくて、こういう外ではそのボールを捨てるところに困っちゃいます。なので今日はボールも食べることができるアイスクリームボールを作りたいと思います。それではレッツクック。
There are many recipe variations you can try, but we decided to stick with brownie and chocolate chip cookie balls. You can definitely make the brownie mix from scratch. We decided to use one of our favorite mixes, so we only needed to add eggs, butter, and milk. Pour just a small amount of butter into the muffin tins. You are not making a full cupcake. Filling the muffin tin to about 1/4 full is probably enough. You will need 2 identical muffin tins to make the ball shapes. Bake the brownie balls for about 2/3 the amount of time that the recipe calls for. Let's move on to the chocolate chip cookie balls now. Once again, we used our favorite mix, but you can make them from scratch. Place a ball on top of each mound and spread the dough using your fingers. The edge of the dough should go about halfway down the side of the mound. Bake the cookies for the full amount of time the recipe calls for. Remove them from the oven and let cool. Now that your balls are finished, scoop your favorite ice cream flavors into your creations. Add your favorite toppings and you are ready to eat. They look wonderful! They look wonderful!